There are a couple keyboard shortcuts that everyone must use when using Adobe Illustrator. Down here is a virtual keyboard, so I'll show you what I mean. For example, if I want to copy this, I can click on V. V is my selection tool over here. Command C, so Command C. Here's a command button next to the spacebar. C is right here. I can do that with my left hand. So again, Command C is copy, Command V is paste. I've created another image. I can keep pasting objects wherever I like. If I want to delete them, I just hit delete. Again, Command C to copy, Command V to paste. If I want to undo something, Command Z, down here, Command Z is what I do. Now let's say I want to align this object in a very particular location. I can do Command apostrophe and that'll turn on my grid. As you can see, there's a grid behind there. I'll hit Command apostrophe a few times. And I can move my object around and try to place it on that grid. If I want it to snap exactly onto the grid, I do Command Shift apostrophe. Again, Command Shift apostrophe. And that will let it snap to the exact grid lines. If I want it to not snap onto any of these grid lines, I do Command Shift apostrophe again, and I can move it point by point in infinitely small amounts. Let's say I want to move this exactly in this corner and make it touch the edges over here. Hold down spacebar, move my screen over. Now let's talk about the zoom functions. You're going to use minus, plus, well the equal sign is on top of the plus, they're the same key, and 0. So again, let's take a look. Command plus lets me zoom in, Command minus lets me zoom out. Command 0 is fit to screen, so it pops the whole screen into my viewer. Let's go out, hold down space to drag, Command plus to zoom in. Now I can see my shape right here. I can use my arrow keys to move it exactly into and make it touch the edge like so. Command 0 to zoom out, and there we go. Let's review. Command C is copy, Command V is paste. We can move that around. Delete deletes objects. Command Z undoes my last command. Command apostrophe turns on and off the grid. Command Shift apostrophe makes objects snap onto the grid. So Command Shift apostrophe makes things snap or not snap onto the grid. Right now snapping is turned off. Now it's turned on and it kind of snaps right onto these grid lines. Command plus zooms in, Command minus zooms out. Command 0 is fit to screen. Holding down the spacebar with using the mouse, it lets me to move the screen around. And that's it. Those are the simple basic keyboard shortcuts that everyone must use with Adobe Illustrator.